Are you new to stock trading and looking for strategies that can set you on the path to success? Stock trading can be an exciting way to grow your wealth, but it requires the right approach to minimize risks and maximize returns. In this video, we'll break down the 10 most profitable stock trading strategies specifically designed for beginners. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, these strategies will help you build a solid foundation for consistent profits. Let's get started. 1. Buy and hold. This long-term strategy involves buying stocks of fundamentally strong companies and holding on to them for years to benefit from capital appreciation and dividends. Why it works. Over time, the market historically trends upward, making this strategy a low-risk option for beginners. Tip: look for companies with a strong track record, solid financials, and competitive advantages. 2. Dividend investing. Focus on stocks that pay consistent and high dividends. These payouts provide a steady income stream while you benefit from potential stock price growth. Why it works. Dividend stocks often come from well-established companies, making them less volatile. Tip: reinvest your dividends to take advantage of compounding growth. 3. Index fund investing. Instead of picking individual stocks, invest in index funds or ETFs that track major indices like the S&P 500. Why it works. Index funds offer diversification, lower risk, and steady returns. Tip: this is a great hands-off strategy for beginners looking to build wealth over time. 4. Growth investing. Focus on stocks of companies expected to grow earnings faster than the market average. Why it works. High-growth companies can yield substantial returns over time. Tip: research industries with significant growth potential, such as tech or renewable energy. 5. Value investing. Identify undervalued stocks with strong fundamentals that are trading below their intrinsic value. Why it works. Buying undervalued stocks provides the opportunity to profit as the market corrects itself. Tip: look for low price-to-earnings, PE ratios, and strong balance sheets. 6. Momentum trading. This strategy involves buying stocks that are trending upward and selling them before the trend reverses. Why it works. You capitalize on the market's short-term enthusiasm for certain stocks. Tip: use technical indicators like moving averages to spot trends. 7. Swing trading. Swing traders take advantage of short to medium-term price movements, holding stocks for a few days to weeks. Why it works. It balances the pace of day trading with the simplicity of longer-term investing. Tip: focus on stocks with clear patterns or price channels. 8. Dollar cost averaging. DCA. Invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the stock's price. Why it works. This strategy reduces the impact of market volatility and ensures consistent investment. Tip: automate your investments in ETFs or index funds for ease. 9. News-based trading. Use breaking news, such as earnings reports or economic announcements, to make informed trading decisions. Why it works. Stocks often move significantly in response to news, offering opportunities for quick gains. Tip: stay updated with financial news and use stop-loss orders to manage risks. 10. Sector rotation. Rotate investments into sectors expected to outperform the market based on the current economic cycle. Why it works. Different sectors perform well at different stages of the economy, e.g. tech in growth phases, utilities in recessions. Tip: monitor macroeconomic trends to time your sector shifts effectively. Pro tips for beginner traders. Begin with a limited amount of capital that you can afford to lose while you learn. Read books, watch tutorials, and take online courses to understand trading fundamentals. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across industries and asset types. Practice trading in a risk-free environment before committing real money. Stick to your strategy and avoid emotional decision-making. Set stop-loss orders and only risk 1–2% of your trading capital per trade. Stock trading can be a rewarding journey if approached with the right mindset and strategies. These 10 beginner-friendly trading strategies offer a mix of long-term stability and short-term opportunities, allowing you to build confidence and profits as you gain experience. Question for you. Which strategy are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more tips and strategies to elevate your trading game. Until next time, happy trading!